out a 2022 Honda. Dang it. Welcome to Canadian Quarters Review. I'm Mark, and once again I am super excited today. We've taken on yet another dealership in Kelowna called Kelowna POWERSPORTS, of course in Kelowna, BC, Canada. And so we're going to have Honda now on the channel. I'm super So today we're checking out a 2022 Honda CRF 125 FB. It's a nice looking bike. Might be something you're into. Hang around. So this guy is going to be an air-cooled single-cylinder 125cc. It's got a 52 by 57 millimeter bore and stroke, 9.1 compression, and a single overhead cam with 2 valves. It is a PGM FI electronic fuel injection. It's got a 4-speed with a manual clutch. And your final drive, of course, is going to be chain driven. It's a number 428 chain with 13T/46T. So when we're talking suspension, the front suspension on this guy is going to be a 31 millimeter telescopic fork, 133 millimeters or 5.2 inches of wheel travel. And the rear is going to be a ProLink Showa single shock, which is kind of cool. And it's going to be 140 millimeter or 5.5 inches of wheel travel. So when we're talking tires, on the front we're going to have a 70 by 100-17. And the rear is going to be a 90/100-14. You're going to have a 220 millimeter disc brake in the front, and you're going to have a drum brake in the rear. It's going to be 210 millimeter or 8 inches of ground clearance. Your seat height is going to be 738 millimeters or 29 inches. Your wheelbase is going to be 1220 millimeters or 48 inches. The curb weight on this bike is going to be 88 kilograms or 194 pounds, including all the required fluids and stuff like that. And your fuel capacity is going to be 3.7 liters with a 0.7 liter reserve. And the color scheme seems to be just this extreme red, which in my opinion, I've always loved the Honda colors. I think they're awesome. Let's take a closer look. So with this, of course, you know you're going to have the Honda quality, and just from my experiences thus far, and I know you guys have all got your opinions, and that's very cool, because it could be some truth to it as well. But anyway, as far as Hondas are concerned, I think they're pretty much bulletproof. I've got friends that have had quads for practically 20 years with maybe 20,000 K on them, and they're still going strong. So yeah, Honda just can't kill them. Very cool machine. Great for starter bike. You got something that's going to be in the family for a long time. Just do your required maintenance, give it a bit of a wash down every time you come back, and this thing will last you a very long time. So that'll about sum it up for the first video ever for Kelowna POWERSPORTS in Kelowna, BC, Canada. Come down, check them out, and let them know that I sent you. They'll take excellent care of you. Once again, we're looking at a 2022 Honda CBF 125 FB. Really fantastic bike. It'll do a great job.